An NaCl solution is prepared by dissolving 80 grams of NaCl in 200 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius. What is the vapor pressure of the solution if the vapor pressure of water at 25 degrees Celsius is 23.56 torr? So to solve this problem, we will use of the Raoult's law or Raoult's law. So the formula would be the pressure of the solution, that would be equal to the mole fraction of the solvent times the partial pressure of the solvent at that temperature. So in our problem, our solvent is water, because if you read the problem, it says it was dissolved in water. So our equation now becomes the vapor pressure of the solution is the mole fraction of water times the partial pressure of water, or the pressure of water at 25 degrees Celsius. So to get the mole fraction of water, so to get the mole fraction of H2O, so that's equal to the moles of H2O divided by the moles of the H2O plus the Van 't Hoff factor times the moles of NaCl. So you might be wondering, why do we need to incorporate or add the Van 't Hoff factor into the equation? Because if you look at the problem, our solute is NaCl. And you know NaCl is an ionic compound. So when you place NaCl in water, that dissociates or that ionizes into Na plus and Cl minus. So therefore, the Van 't Hoff factor for NaCl is 2 because it forms two ions, Na plus and Cl minus. So let's get first the mole fraction of water. So you know that moles is just mass divided by molar mass, right? So the mass of water is 200 grams. So 200 grams divided by the molar mass of water. If you solve that, that's 18.016 grams per mole divided by the moles of water. So just again, that's 200 grams divided by 18.016 grams per mole. Plus the Van 't Hoff factor for NaCl is 2 times the moles of NaCl. So moles again is mass over molar mass. The mass of NaCl is 80 grams divided by the molar mass of NaCl. If you solve that, that would be 58.44 grams over moles. So if you solve this in your calculator, you will get the mole fraction of water, and that is equal to, let me just solve that using my calculator. That is equal to 0.802. So the mole fraction of water is 0.802. So now let's get the pressure. So the pressure of the solution is the mole fraction of water, 0.802 times the partial pressure of water at 25 degrees Celsius, that's 23.56 torr. So if you solve this, 0.802 times 23.56, you will get approximately 18.9 torr. And this is the answer to the question.